describe to the user, or at least use
how to get your
topic in
YouTube video
so
to rank
on
the first page of Google,
to use those keywords multiple times, but it's also going to be
or the first page of YouTube.
Searching for your page and they see that title. For instance, the title Apple, so-so. But what if the title was Apple, maker of
Make sure your title
iTunes, and
is the first thing that is on your description.
That title a little bit more and repeat some of those keywords. Probably not obviously
just go on,
too much,
say a few things, add some links,
so the title and the description,
get them to tie back to other social media or even other YouTube videos or channels like I did.
And really simple web page.
Main thing right here,
let's look at their source code.
your tags.
Zoom in.
Each one of these words and keywords and key tags have been used and searched in Google X amount of times. You can look them up yourself, like I did, write them down, and then type them in there. Key phrases are huge too. What do you type in YouTube, and what do you type in Google? That's what you need to put on these key tags. So, without further ado, I'm going to save my changes. I'm going to say tags are too long. So, when that happens, you want to go in here and just take off the ones that you might have had less searches for, or even possibly, you know, are a little less relevant to your topic. Maybe
and they do have the business name here, which is nice.
Things
Different
like that.
SEO experts will tell you, do you want to lead with the business name?
See how that works.
Keywords.
Okay, boom.
They say
it saved it. Okay, so Google and YouTube have allowed these tags to go through. So as soon as you do that, I've already set this one up. It's gonna play some cool music. It's a pretty awesome video. Briefly, just to describe, you know, how to jailbreak a new Amazon Fire Stick without a computer, without ES Explorer, just basically from scratch. This is actually part 2, so this is actually more so inside of Cody. But you see here though, music is vital if you're not going to be talking. So what you can do is you can just save it as new, which is huge because you can start, you know, developing and acquiring a new targeted audience or new audience, and also accumulate multiple views on each one. But I'd be careful with doing too many because you don't want it to be too sloppy and too many copies of the same video. And then so if you go down here, so if I wanted to change, these are free and copyright free, I should say. YouTube has already increased, you know, they've already increased the number of tracks that are available and accessible on here, so it's awesome. So great for them to do that. And I mean, it's a pretty cool video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, a track on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change this. But be careful, you really do want to add the audio because you don't want it to play through. If this song's only 2 minutes, you'd want to make it to where it's longer than just this song or whatever. But I'm just going to save it as a new video here. Now, and it's going to have that new song on there. So that's going to develop on there. We're going to go through here. Let's see. I mean, because that one previously, I mean, it only had a few, you know, so we're going to try to just upgrade. I'm going to split test a little bit with some of the tags. That's what I've been doing. You know, I've got, I mean, you know, some of these, you know, only a few thousand, you know, whatever, a couple thousand views. I mean, so that's that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks.
Let's look at one more site.